Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2016 pre-owned Thor Hurricane 31S. Nice coach. Let's go and see what it has to offer. So you're coming inside this coach. It's got the standard floor layout. So you got the couch and the dinette in line, but what this allows you to have is a large counter space, and this is Corian on this coach. So large counter space, a lot of drawers, nice little cutting board right there coming out with that. The TV up above there, so you're looking at it straight on when you are watching TV. Nice accents in the mirrors. Good storage in this coach. Nice little backsplash back here. You're going to have a Whirlpool microwave. And then you do have the full oven down here. So Atwood oven, 3 burners on top. Nice combination, traditional. Freezer and refrigerator, nor cold, with beautiful little area to put your groceries in right there. Table and chairs over here, booth style. Nice little balances on the side for the accent colors. Easy cleanup down below with no carpet in this coach. Coming back here, you got a split bath. So you're going to have a huge shower on this side, good ambient lighting up above. And then on this side, while one of you is showering, if there's 2 people, you're going to have the bathroom, the commode, faucet, sink, everything right there. Coming back into the bedroom, a queen bed with the nice headboard and the 2 windows on the sides for ventilation. Let's see if this has anything. Nope, it doesn't have anything underneath it. Just got that really nice mattress. You have the rear window back here for viewing, and then the day night shade combination, and the exit window right there for safety, which is really great. Over here you have a little desk, vanity for doing whatever you want to do, and the TV up above for watching TV at night. And this has a huge wardrobe right here. Full length wardrobe with a lot of room in there. So why don't we go up front and see what this coach has to offer in the cockpit. One of the things that it has to offer, if you just look up into the ceiling area, is the bed that comes down for guests or kids, whatever you have. But it is on the Ford chassis. So you're going to have the cruise control at the touch of a button right there. You're also going to have your levelers up here, your backup camera, your side cameras, your generator start, your driver fan. It has it all in this coach. You have a little table right there that pulls out for the co-pilot to read maps if necessary. I don't know if you still read maps, but with GPS, a lot of people don't, but some people like it. And you have a little window down here for safety, for the driver to see another car, or for a little pet that might want to look out the window. So let's go outside and see what it has to offer. This is a great coach. Coming outside, this little Hurricane has beautiful colors. Bronze, kind of a silver and a cream, and a kind of a burnt orange color. You do have a TV right here in the side and stereo, but one of the things this has is the side open hinge doors. So you can get at your freshwater tank right there. Some coaches you can't do that. This one you can. Look at that. You've got the storage there, and you do have the ability to go up into the other side with this storage area. There's your speakers, your water heater. More storage under there. Let's see if this is open. You do have an outside kitchen area right here. Very nice. You have this access the top so that you can get at the air conditioners, the sealant around every component up there if you so desire. There's your rear window, your rear camera. Now one of the things that this has, because it is a Thor, you're going to have an 8,000-pound hitch on this coach instead of like a customary 5,000-pound hitch like on other coaches. Let's see if this is open over here. There we go. Got some storage right there. You do have a marine cord on this coach, so it attaches to the outside, so the event of emergency, you can just unplug and go. Your water bay, you have a Santa flush in there, everything you need to Dispose of your waste. Exterior shower. That's very important if you have pets. If you've been down at the beach, that'll work really well for you. Right here we have more storage on this coach. Whoops. That's a slam latch. And then we have the propane tanks under here, and you got the 4,000 watt generator. Great coach. Side cameras. Beautiful color. 2016 31S pre-owned Thor Hurricane. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have on the lot, and we've got 650 RVs around here, give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.